Yo, Melvitto, Oxlade. Call me when you're feeling sick. Call me when you're feeling down. Call me when you need someone to talk to. Call me when you're feeling lonely. Call me when you need somebody. Call me when you need somebody. Yeah, yeah.
Hey lovelies, you're welcome to my channel. It's Genevieve Ezinwa here. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Lagos. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I was able to achieve the ponytail hairstyle you saw in my intro. Okay, so moving on to the hair. So here I'm patting out the side of my hair. So after patting out the side of my hair where I'm going to work with, I will tie up my hair and put it away so as to focus on this section first. Okay, then I'll pat out a little piece from the section that I patted earlier on, and I'll comb it out to reduce the knots. And after combing it out, okay, I'm using Make Your Hair Shine hair wax. Then I'll go on to apply it on my hair, and after applying it, I'll comb it out to smoothen it, and then I'll grab a rubber band, a colored rubber band, and I'll tie it and secure it. So here I'm showing you the rubber band I'm using to make my hair, okay, and I'm going to use the yellow rubber band. Okay, so here I'm holding my hair and folding it so as to make it to be smooth, and then I'll be tying it with rubber band, but don't tie it too much for you not to cause tension around your scalp. Okay, 3 is too loose, but if you can go up to like 5 or 6, that'll be okay. Okay, all right, so whatever that makes your hair look smooth but not too tight. Okay, all right, so here I'm twisting it out, and after twisting it out, I'll move on to the second part. Okay, so I'm patting out the second box, and I'll comb it out, also apply the hair wax on it. Okay, I'm doing the exact same thing I did in the first one, but here after combing it out, I will attach the first twist onto it and secure it together with a rubber band. Okay, and afterwards I'll comb it out and also twist it again. Okay, so this is also the same thing I'll be doing to the last one. Okay, I was able to achieve 3 boxes here. So guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel already, kindly hit the red subscribe button so you get subscribed, and also turn on the notification bell icon so you get notified anytime I post videos like this. Okay, so once I'm done with the side, I'll move on to the center. Okay, so here I'm patting out the center of my hair. Okay, then after patting it out, I'll use a rubber band to secure it and put it away, because I'll be working with the back section before I'll go towards the front. Okay, so here I'm struggling to make my parts. If you can make your parts more neater than I am or than I can, fine, but if you cannot, no problem. Okay, you can do your says. If you can get help, fine, do that. Okay. So here I'm at the back section, and I'm sectioning out my hair into 2 equal parts. All right, after which I'll use a elastic band and secure one and put it away so as to work with one first. Alright, so here I'll be doing an upward cornrow. Okay, this is actually my first time I've ever attempting to make a cornrow going upwards. Okay, so please kindly bear with me. It may not really come as neat, but yeah, the first attempt may not really come out good, but I can do better, sis. I can do better. Alright, so I'm applying the hair wax onto my hair, and after which I'll use a comb to comb it out and smoothen it so as to start making my cornrow. My natural hair is kind of thick, so here you can see me struggling trying to pick up my hair, trying to smoothen it as I go. Okay, so if your hair is thick as mine, all you need to do is when you're making your cornrow, you try as much as possible to pick up your hair, you know, to smoothen it. As you're walking upwards, you'll be touching your hair, grabbing your hair and putting it up together so as for it to be smooth. All right, so anyway you feel that there is no gel, you can apply more gel, you can smooth it, you can use comb. Okay, so try to do it so as to smoothen your hair. Okay, so here as I'm walking, I don't have any mirror at my back, so I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just using my hand to feel it, just to touch it and smoothen it while I go. But if you want to make yours, you can get mirror. Okay, if you're able to keep, you know, mirror in the front and at the back, so you'll be able to be seeing what you're doing, fine, that would be cool. But I'm unable to do that. Okay, I only have one mirror, which is at my back, so I do not have any in the front so as for me to see the back of my hair. Okay, so I'm just walking as I go. Yeah, so also if you don't know how to make cornrow upwards, because it's kind of difficult to do, seriously it is, I'm not gonna lie to you, but if you can do it, that's okay. But if you cannot, sis, you can always get help, you know. Alright, so I'm done with one, moving on to the other one. I'm applying the hair wax to my hair, and after which I will use comb to comb it out and smoothen it, and then start my cornrow. Okay, so here I don't know what happened, seriously, my cornrow didn't really come out good like the way I wanted it. And it's still same thing I said earlier, if you can get mirror, fine, it's good to have mirror so you see what you're doing. Because when I was done with the whole hair, then I looked it up on the mirror and I saw what I did. It didn't come out good, but I did something. I actually used my comb and applied more gel on it, and then used my comb to, you know, smooth it out, and it came out good, of which you can see in my intro video. Okay, the back of my hair. So when I got to this point, I grabbed my hair that is by the side and attached it all together with my hair. Okay, then after attaching it together, I continued rolling my hair. So here I'm applying gel onto the front of my hair. Okay, I'm using the black gel. It's Petals gel. Okay, sorry I didn't show it, but I'm going to leave it in the description box below. Okay, so if you're in Nigeria, you know the gel I'm talking about. Okay, all right, so after applying it on my hair, I'll go on to use a Bristle brush and I brush out my hair and smoothen it out. Then after smoothing it out, I'll grab a rubber band and tie that and secure it. Okay, then after securing it, I'll make a little braids on it. Okay, and after braiding it out, I'll also use a rubber band to secure it and make a little bun out of it. So here I'm doing some swoop in my edges, trying to lay my edges, my baby hairs and all that. But if you don't like baby hairs, you can skip this part, but I love my baby hair and I love laying them. So here is the side bangs ponytail that I created using a multi crochet extension. Okay, and you have double combs and a drawstrings. Yay! So if you've not watched my previous video I uploaded showing how I made the ponytail, okay, I'll drop the link in the description box below. Okay, so do check it out. All right, here I'm attaching the ponytail onto my hair. First of all, I attach the comb first, and after which I'm tying the elastic band. Okay, then after tying it, I'll grab a bobby pin and I secure that in place. All right, also I use bobby pins to position the hair the way I want. Okay, it's a side bangs and I want it to go by the side. Okay, to lay by the side. Okay, so I use lots and lots of bobby pins to set my hair and put them in place. All right, so if you've stayed with me to the end of this video and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly hit the red subscribe button and get subscribed to my channel. Turn on the notification bell icon so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload videos like this. Also, like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it to your family and friends. You don't know who might want to make this kind of hairstyle. I don't know who you'll help. Okay, all right, this is it for this video and I'll see you all in my next one. I love you all and God loves you more. Okay, do endeavor to stay safe and be blessed. Bye.
Call me when you're feeling lonely. Call me when you need somebody. Call me when you need someone to talk to. You got my number. Hey, I would wait for your boss. Don't be late, no. I would wait for your call. You get my